Hello people and welcome back to my channel. You have different setup as you can see, and sorry if the sound is not the best, but I'm in my bathroom as you can see, and today I will share with you my nighttime routine. Usually I'm so uncomfortable when I do not do like sit downs and makeup looks and everything, because firstly English is not my first language and I'm always nervous. So I'm starting with washing my hands. Always, that's my rule number one. So I do not recommend you to start your skincare routine without washing your hands, because there's so much dirt and you're touching your phone constantly and there's so much bacteria and everything. So always wash your hands. I already washed my face with Bioderma that I've been using for I think 2 years or year and a half, for a very long time. It's not aggressive on my skin, it's very gentle because I have some redness on my skin and quite sensitive skin, so that one is good for me. And my favorite product of 2019 skincare product is this Vichy. There is not much left in here. I think that there is nothing left. So it's empty. It's actually empty. So this is proof that I've been loving this one. So I have to buy a new one. It's completely empty. And now I want to use this oil, face oil. I use face oil only once before this one, and that was from Kiehl's, that's their night oil. And I have to say that I like Kiehl's, but this one is wonderful. So I like to press oil in my skin. I don't like to rub. I just rub on my forehead. But this is beautiful, and it says that it's for dry skin. So this one from Caudalie, nice one from pharmacy. So I do not use oil every night. Now when I run off from this Vichy, I have to use it every night because I need that extra moisture and just food for my skin, let's say it like that. And I bought this because I moved, and here winters are quite cold, so I needed something like this. Next step is my face cream, and this is from Aphrodita Cosmetics. This is a brand from Slovenia. It's called Hydra Patch, as you can see. And I also don't have much left in here. It's nice cream. I recommend to put oil before this because it's very thick. It's very thick cream, and it's not the easiest to spread on your skin. So use something oily before this to make it more easy to spread on your skin, spread out. And of course then my lips are extremely dry, and my skin is dry because of the weather. And as I said, I'm quite uncomfortable filming this type of videos where I do not do makeup, and I just want to step out from that comfort zone and film something that I haven't had on my channel yet, and to show you something different and just to make more interesting content and something that you haven't seen from me. I filmed skincare routine I film skincare, just what I'm using, but I haven't filmed how I put it, so it's here. Now, incredible product, one of my favorites is from La Roche-Posay, Effaclar Duo. So this one has SPF in it, and it is for scars and blemishes that you have, and it really helps. I find it very, it does what it says, and I like when product really does what it says in description. And this one I bought maybe a year ago, and it's still going. It is 40 milliliters, 40 grams. Beautiful product if you have some scars and something like that, and it has SPF, which is very important when you have scars, because if you do not use SPF on your scars, sun can make them even more visible. So it's very important. And that, my friends, is my skincare routine. I'm not complicated when it comes to skincare. Once upon a time I was very complicated, and I wanted to use 100 products because I thought that my skin will be like from a fairy tale. But then I grew up and realized that things do not work that way. And now I like to minimalize my skincare list, and just to make it easier, because I do not have time and I don't want to spend 20 minutes in bathroom every single night just on skincare. So I really hope you like it. It's something different. Tell me if you like my water is running, sorry. And tell me if you like it, tell me if you don't like it, tell me why. Like, dislike, subscribe on my channel, and see ya in the next one. Bye.